Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codeyantra. Today we will be discussing the second problem of the contest CodeFair 2.0, which is named as star and hash string. So let's read the problem statement. Given a string S of stars and hashes, the length of the string is a variable. The task is to find the minimum number of stars and hashes to make it a valid string. The string is considered valid if the number of stars and hashes are equal. The stars and hashes can be at any position in the string. Note, the output will be a positive or negative integer based on the number of stars and hashes in the input string. If the number of stars is greater than number of hashes, then we have to output a positive integer. If the number of hashes are greater than stars, then we have to output a negative integer. And if the number of hashes are equal to number of stars, then we have to output a 0. So let's now go to the coding part of the problem. So this is a basic C++ template. So let's take a string and let's take output in the string. Now we will be needing two variables to calculate the hash and the stars present in the string. Initially they will be 0. We have to take a variable n to store the length of the string in order to iterate it. So in order to iterate over the string, we will be using a for loop. Now I will check at each position in the string. If at that position a hash is present, I will increment the hash variable. Otherwise, I can increment the star variable. In the end, I will just check whether the hash is greater than the star. In this case, I have to output a negative number. So I will output -1 here. Otherwise, if the numbers of stars are greater than the number of hash, then I have to output a positive number. I will output 1. And otherwise, in this last case, only one possible scenario is there in which the number of stars and hashes are equal. In this case, I have to output 0. Now let's try to submit this solution. Yeah, so we are getting a correct output. Now let's try to submit this solution. Okay, so we are getting an accepted status. So hope you guys understood the solution of this problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.